Paying an AMEX GCash card online is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Activate your AMEX virtual pay card if you haven't done so. You can do this by tapping on your profile in the GCash application, selecting My Linked Accounts, and then American Express Virtual Pay. Now enter your email address and wait for an SMS to confirm your registration. Once you've activated your AMEX virtual pay card, you can start using it. When making a payment online, select American Express as your payment method and enter your AMEX virtual pay card details. If you need a new security code for your AMEX virtual pay card, you can get one by going to your profile in the GCash application and tapping on My Linked Accounts. Go to the American Express Virtual Pay, then go to the Get New Code.